Hey everybody, I wanted to just say hello to you from our Palm Desert office. This is Coach Shirley and she's my mom. And so we have two locations. We have two clinics. We have one in Northern California, and then we have this one down in Southern California in Palm Desert. So my mom mainly, she works with a lot of new starts that live in the area, but a large part of our business is snowbirds. So if you are coming out to the desert this winter, whether you're coming for a week or 6 weeks or the whole season, just know that we have a great clinic here, and Shirley will be happy to meet with you. If you need to weigh in, we can send your coach your updates. If you are a coach and you want your clients to find a place where they can purchase food, they can shop here, we will weigh them in, we'll work with them for you, be happy to help out. So just wanted to show you what we have going on here. Mom, say hello to everybody.
Hi everybody, and you're more than welcome to come to our facility, and I'll be happy to help you with your needs.
That's right. So Mom, tell us a little bit about your story with Ideal Protein.
Well, Renee went on vacation, so I went up north and helped her, and I enjoyed it so much. I talked Renee into opening up an office here where I could have you come in and I could help you. I learned all about it, and I lost 50 pounds in the process.
Yep.
And it was wonderful, so I have really enjoyed it.
We are both Ideal Protein success stories. As you know, I've lost 65 pounds 3 times in my life, and I've been maintaining now for over 15 years. So we have the tools. We know how to work with you. We work with clients that travel. We work with clients that are, have corporate events and functions, and we really work within all of the challenges that you have on a daily basis. And one thing that we really specialize in is not only helping you lose weight, but the bottom line is we have to learn to maintain our weight. So that's where we really come in, and we work with you not only in phase 1, 2, 3, but really we work with you in real life and give you strategies and help you. You can, as long as you are one of our clients here, you can come in at any time. So say that you lose all your weight and you can still stop in and get your body comp done. You can keep track of things. We help you learn your macros and how you can learn to actually maintain your weight on a long-term basis. Okay, so sharing is caring, so make sure you share this post out to all of your friends and anybody that's a snowbird and anybody that lives here in the desert that is ready to change their life. We want to meet you. All right.
Definitely do.
Say bye, Mom.
Bye.
Bye, you guys.
See ya.